What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mike from Mike's Madden School, and we are back at it again with our brand new segment, questions that I've seen over the internet that you haven't asked me, but I'm going to answer anyway. We might look for a shorter name, but if you can think of a shorter name for this segment, let me know in the comments below. But today we have two questions that we're going to answer today. The first question is, once I have my YouTube channel, once I set up the YouTube channel, what do I post? I don't know what to post or, what I want to talk about or anything like that. So we're going to discuss that. And then we're also going to discuss when to post. You may not know when to post or how often you should post. We're going to discuss that as well coming up on this video today. So without further ado, class is now in session. Now, before we talk about different ideas on what your YouTube channel can be about or what you can talk about on your YouTube channel, we're going to talk about the 3 types of content that you're going to be posting on your channel. Now, the first type of content is information type content. This particular content, you can inform people about a subject. You're teaching someone about a subject, give them information about a subject, or bringing maybe breaking news about a subject. Basically giving them information about a particular topic or subject. The second type of content you can post on YouTube is entertaining type content. This is where you're making someone laugh, you're playing music, you are showing them clips of maybe sports highlights, gaming highlights, something that can make them entertaining as far as just watching and enjoying watching that entertainment, whether that be making them laugh or feeling some type of emotion. The third and final type of content that you can make on YouTube is basically to be good at what you do. So whether you're an artist, like a sketch artist, or a musician, whether you dance or anything that you do, if you are good, basically the best at what you do, you can go viral. It doesn't even matter if you are a gardener, a builder, welder, you work on a farm. If you are good at what you do, people will watch you. So basically you can use any one of these 3 types, or if you want to go viral quicker, you can use more than one of these 3 types. You can be informative and entertaining. You can be really good at what you do and informative, or you can be really entertaining and good, or you can be all 3. The more you have, the faster your channel will grow, but you only need one in order for your channel to grow. Next, I'm going to show you a few examples of channels on all different types of spectrums of YouTube. So first, here we have a channel. It's called Epic Gardening. Basically, it's an information channel teaching you how to grow a garden from scratch in your home, all that good stuff. They give you all the information that you need to grow your garden. As you can see, they have over 1.8 million subscribers. Their monthly views are around 7 million, and they are making an estimate of $28,000 a month. It doesn't matter what you are interested in. If you like gardening, do it. Let me show you another example. All right, we have another channel here. I went into the art niche on basically how to draw, and this is another informative channel. And once again, I'm showing these information channels because these are some of the best channels to have, because they are in a specific niche and you can get the most cost per million as far as income on ad revenue, because they're so niche based. All right, and so as you can see, all this channel does is show you how to draw a particular thing, maybe a cartoon, maybe a particular type of person or drawing, and they just kind of break it down each one and kind of show you. And in these videos, I don't even think they show their face, so they just show a screen and basically showing them drawing on a particular canvas. Now, if you look at the details on this particular channel, they have about 420,000 subscribers. They're getting about 1 million views a month, 1.5 million views a month, and they're making an estimate about $6,000 a month on the high end. The point is, it doesn't matter what you are into. Let me do one more. All right, so here we have another channel. I just clicked on, as you can see, my search here is how to play the piano. This one is called Piano in 21 Days. Learn to play piano in days, not years. So basically, all his goal is to teach you how to play the piano. And as you can see, he has all different types using a software showing you where the keys are and what notes they make and all that types of things like that. Let's look at his stats. This particular channel has 91,000 subscribers. He's getting about 105,000 views a month, which equates to close to about a little bit over $400 a month, which is not bad at all. And you can tell this channel is going to keep on growing and growing because it has a lot of potential. There's two ways I believe that you can come up with a topic to talk about on your YouTube channel or niche to go into on your YouTube channel. The first way is, think of something that you can talk about for 30 minutes with no prep. Whatever that is, whatever your passion is, you can make a YouTube channel of that. And you can just start talking about that particular topic. And that particular topic may be entertaining, it may be informative, or you just may be good at it. But whatever it is, you can just start talking about it. That's my first way I would go. And then once you figure that topic out, you would then research, go on YouTube, search that topic, find out what are the people who are making content in that topic, what they're doing and so on. But that's for another topic. However, if you still can't think of anything, I suggest coming here on YouTube and getting niche ideas. And one of the really good videos that I like is from a gentleman by the name of Matt Parr. He has his channel called Make Money Matt. And no, I'm not an affiliate. I'm not getting any type of kickback, but I just know I just like this channel. And he has this one video called 100 YouTube Niches to Make Money Without Showing Your Face. And I'll link this video below in the comment section. And so that way you can find this particular video. So if you don't think you have a face for the camera, don't worry. None of these particular videos that he's going to show you, you have to show your face. So definitely take a look at that. And then he has a couple other ones as well. But you can also just go to search YouTube and see what other people are doing, and then kind of take your cue from there. For the last question that we're going to go over in this video is, when and how often should I post? Now, first I'm going to give you an opinion, and then I'm going to show you some analytics on when you should post. Now, first, in my very humble opinion, in the very beginning, you should post when you can, but be consistent. So a lot of times when people start YouTube channels, they have other jobs, they have other obligations. So what you need to do is you need to pick a day that you can record and make your videos, and then however or how often you want to post. So let's say you're going to post twice a week, 3 times a week. You want to have that one day that you have off, or whatever that time that you set aside for yourself, to make those videos, and then schedule those videos out on the appropriate days. So let's say you wanted to post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and you have Sunday off. So you take Sunday to make your videos, schedule them for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then you do it all over again on Sunday. And you can stay consistent with that schedule. And once you are very consistent, you start to grow an audience, they can expect your videos at a certain time, and you can up the ante if you started to get traction and you start to make more time for yourself to produce more videos. Yeah, that was my phone, and I'm not going to edit that out. But if you are live streaming, then you want to get a set schedule that your audience can expect you to live stream on a regular basis, whether you're gaming on a live stream or you're doing maybe a live broadcast of a podcast or something like that. So you just want to be consistent so your audience can expect you at a certain time and date. Now, here's another tip for you. This is where we're going to go more analytical. If you go into the analytics section of your YouTube studio, you click on audience right up here, and then if you scroll down, you'll see when your viewers are on YouTube. And as you can see, the dark color indicates the exact time that your viewers are normally on YouTube during what day of the week. So if you have a particular schedule that you want to post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, then if you're looking at my particular analytics, I would suggest you post around 11 to 12 o'clock. So that way, when your viewers are on, your post will be already up and then be ready to go for them to watch. So you definitely want to make sure you post between that time. If you happen to post between this time, let's say after the peak hour, then what may happen is YouTube may show your content to somebody, but they may not be particularly interested in your content, or they may not be your regular viewers. So then they may not click on them, and then YouTube will say, oh, well, nobody likes this video, so then they'll stop showing it. Well, you can get the most views during this time. Let me just show you an example. If I go to my content, or let's go to my dashboard here, I posted this YouTube short during that time, during one of my peak hours, and I got 2.8 thousand views right away. It kind of came within the first hour or two of me posting. So that's the best way to get those views the quickest, and you'll know over time. You won't know this right away, but YouTube is pretty good with the analytics. The more you post, the more they will show you, and the more they can gather more data for you, so you know exactly when to post. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. We will have more questions and answer videos coming up. I still haven't come up with a name for the segment yet, but it'll get there. So if you like this video, you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that bell notification icon, like this video, and never miss any of our content, because our goal is to help you make money on YouTube, whether you're gaming or whatever niche that you want to be in. So without that, have a wonderful rest of your weekend. If it's the weekend where you are, be safe, take an Uber. Class is dismissed.